So one of my favorite trades, or what, not trades, one of my favorite accounts to follow, Money Trade Edge. Lack of patience kills 90% of traders. We've all been there. Lack of patience kills 90% of all traders. You know, and all reality, the patience is just waiting for the entry signal, waiting for the exit signal. And in the meantime, don't do anything. So here's a perfect example of this today. We waited for our entry signal in J and J. We got in. Now we're waiting for that exit signal, be it either the profit target that we're looking to hit using the outlier data, right? Moving from the sell into the buy area, right? Whether it's that profit target, we're just sitting and waiting, or we're waiting for the 10 EMA to cross or the half ATR to cross. Just sitting and waiting patiently. You've got to stop focusing on the short term, right? Don't sit there with your monitor pulled up all day looking at every little price movement, because it's going to drive you crazy, and it really doesn't matter, especially if you're trading only at the end of the day. Start focusing on the long term, right? In fact, just so you guys know, I was just making a little bit of a plan for myself. My kids and I were watching the Imagineering show on Disney Plus, talking about how they built the Disney parks and things like that. And my sons were like, Dad, we really need to go to Disney World. We haven't been in a while. I think it's been like 3 years, right? But that's half of their lives, it seems like. And so I was like, you know what? I'm going to challenge myself. I'm going to challenge myself to make enough money to pay for a little Disney trip right there and have no regrets about it. So that's my longer term goal for this year. Grow the account, but in the meantime, take a little bit out and pay for a pretty sweet vacation for them. That's my long-term goal. Can I short-term goal make that tomorrow? Maybe. But the amount of risk I'd have to take to do that, not comfortable with doing. And next, stop thinking about missed opportunities, right? You're not going to catch every trade, right? Perfect example of missed opportunities, right? Take a look at the outlier list today. There's tons of buy signals. There's tons of sell signals once they finish loading. And it just goes back day after day after day, right? Every one of those is potentially the best trade you've ever had. And you can't think about the missed opportunities. You have to think about the next opportunities, right? What sets up today? What am I looking at right now that I can make some money on, make a calculated guess, make a small amount of risk with a potential large amount of reward? What is that right now? That's my next opportunity. In the meantime, never give up. Great things take time, and you've got to be patient. These are the skills that you're going to need to be successful. There's no question about it. You have to have the patience, the skill of patience, in order to be a successful trader. It's not like the fake gurus would show you, where it's everybody drinking champagne, driving their Lamborghinis with their Rolls Royces, or with their, not Rolls Royce, their Rolexes. That's not reality here. This is boring. This is slow. This is not sexy. But it's taking calculated risks and then executing a plan day after day with consistency and discipline. So thank you all so much for coming to today's 10-minute trading room. Like I say, J&J looks good, and we're just waiting for new opportunities to come our way. Have a fantastic afternoon, and I'll see you right back here tomorrow. Talk soon.